Hey everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add hover effect on header navigation menu in Shopify. So let's just begin. First of all, you need to head over to your admin panel and go to your themes and then click on these three dots and then click on edit code. You will land onto the edit code section where you need to simply head over to theme.liquid. You can search for that, and once you are here you need to search in here for uh, head, right? So once you search in here for head, make sure you place this code that you can simply copy from this part. So this is going to be the code that you need to paste, and this is the hover code that you need to paste, and simply click on save and you will have your hover effect all over. So this is how easy it is, and you get the hover effect. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.